When using Google Lens, the first step is to provide an image either by making use of your camera or uploading one from your device. In this episode, we're going to look at how to use a Google Lens effectively using our mobile phone. So let's say you found out an address, you found out an exam which you think is so difficult, you find out a text in a different language, let's say Spanish, Japanese, or Dutch, and you don't know what to do. These days, it's simple. With the use of Google Lens, you can translate it from Spanish to English or whatsoever. You can check out a beautiful or fancy restaurant using Google Lens. Let's get right into this episode. So first of all, you're going to click on this image you're seeing like a camera, this one. So once you click on it, it will ask you to upload a file. So make sure that the file you're going to upload or the image you're going to upload, you already have it on your device. If you do not have it on your device, you can take a snapshot of it so that it will go back into your gallery. So or better still, you can paste the link, the image, wherever you saw the image, you can paste the site here and it is going to search for you. But then let's look at upload a file. So uploading a file, this is what we're going to do. We're going to look for an image we think, let's see. Let's look for an image. Let's quickly look for an image. That's a lot. Okay, let's look for this particular attire. Let's look for this particular attire. This. So now this is what Google does. It is important to make sure that the accuracy of the results you're looking for, it is highly dependent on how clear your image is. So you see Google has captured a particular place. If you think it's not this particular dress you're looking for and it's the mobile phone, you place it at where the mobile phone is, you adjust the size of it. All you have to do is adjust the size and then it will look for this particular item. So when you're done, you click on the search and you see you have the mobile phone images. If it's not the mobile phone and it is this particular attire, you shift it back, you adjust, and when you're done, you click here, search, and then the attire drops. So with Google Lens, I think Google Lens is one of the most easiest things you can do to search for whatever thing you are searching online. Don't forget, the Google Lens helps you to translate, it helps you to copy text, it helps you to even look for Google Maps, places you do not know. It helps you to look out for fancy restaurants for the first time and you're not sure what to try. It helps you to shop and so many more. So make sure to use your Google Lens effectively anytime you feel like you're stuck and you don't know what to do. Thank you very much for watching this episode. I'm definitely going to see you guys in another episode. Stay tuned and stay connected. Peace out.